Hey, it's Scott with SpringHillFox.com, where we reveal the secrets to making your first affiliate sale within 24 hours. In this video, we will share exclusive tips and strategies to help you fast-track your success in affiliate marketing. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced affiliate marketer, these secrets will help you boost your affiliate sales quickly. Tune in to learn how to choose the right affiliate products, create engaging content, drive targeted traffic, and convert leads into sales. Take advantage of this valuable opportunity to jumpstart your affiliate marketing journey and earn commissions within one day. If you're ready to unlock the secrets to making your first affiliate sale fast, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from us. Get ready to elevate your affiliate marketing game and achieve success quickly. Hashtag affiliate marketing, hashtag affiliate sale, hashtag make money online, hashtag affiliate commissions. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on success in affiliate marketing. Let's crush those affiliate goals together. Peace out, Scott. P.S. Look out for the complete tutorials first affiliate sale within 24 hours.